Today I want to focus on one of the greatest threats to our national sovereignty. Now in South Africa, a lot of people might claim, and I've said many times before, that our government does not care about our sovereignty. And if you look at many of the actions that they've taken in the past, the state of our borders, the state of our military, they certainly do not put our national sovereignty at the top of their priorities. And that is all a national government should do to begin with, is make sure you remain a country. And when they allowed the renewable energy spectacle to enter the country, they bought the lies, because we have dumb people in parliament. We have dumb people in our executive. We have dumb people as presidents. And because of this, we are sitting in a very serious and precarious position right now, where load shedding is not if, but when. And because I come from the nuclear industry, because I worked in Eskom from 1992, I understand how the grid actually works. Not what the politicians tell you, not the wheeling and dealing they speak of when it comes to energy supply. I understand what is actually going on. And there's many people out there that the mainstream media might call professionals with regards to energy in the country. The people like Chris Yelland, etc., that have been the champions of this renewable green energy nonsense. And they said that it would be much cheaper than nuclear in future, much cheaper than coal in future. Well, they've lied to you, and I have the evidence. And I'm going to start a series of videos where I'm going to break this down in detail, give you the slides, give you the evidence, give you the bar graphs, show you the prices, and show you that at the moment, Koeberg Nuclear Power Station is still by far the cheapest power station on the Eskom grid. Not slightly, by a long shot. And now the lies about bid windows 5 and 6 has absolutely buffooned the people of this country. The people that believed, firstly, that solar and wind was green, that it was renewable, and all of this nonsense. I will tell you exactly what happened. Why bid window 6 is dead, why only a portion of bid window 5 was implemented, and how the cost has really affected your electricity price. How Eskom was forced to buy that extremely expensive electricity from bid window 1, where the average price was over R3.30 per kilowatt hour, when Koeberg is producing baseload capable energy at a cost of maximum 45 cents per kilowatt hour. How you've been bamboozled, how people have been fooled. Look out for those videos. Do subscribe to this channel so you can get notifications when I put those videos out. I will put it on a separate playlist where I will expose our time frames and how soon we can look at load shedding as a reality again, or a complete destruction of our industrial base. Thanks so much for watching. Till the next video.